YouTube. You see what we are doing today, no man. The Dan is back in the. Stop play with me. Lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we are doing today, man. We're back with the World Boss. You see me? Yeah, man. World Boss off our 10th anniversary album. You see me? We'll continue listening to the new tracks. You see me? Like I said, go check out the previous videos. I already listened to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, God is the Greatest, Polite, and Dreams Are Made Up. So go check those out. Now we are gonna react to Vybz Kartel and Ishawna. The one an important flick. Very controversial looking Ishawna. I miss equalizes. How the likely to go Kartel where you do? Anyway, we have Vybz Kartel and Ishawna, the one an important flick. Go check out and see what dog got deal with. You see me now love vibes much longer. Let's get it. Must share a good door.
Cocky bam bam, bam bam bam.
Baby, want my phone there?
Come fuck me and video me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me sing by your night like symphony. Video me click when you think.
Alright. And that a go on, and that she say. Yeah, I feel like I can't get a visa for this while he make the video. I think hey.
Your orange kerchief feels strong to me. Like a labor right with me green body pull to the side of me body jaw boy grab it.
So I want him blood cleat. So I want the orange kerchief jungle. Can't beat that.
Feels strong to me. Like a labor right with me green body pull to the side of me body jaw boy grab it.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. My body so good, she keep texting me. Feed a good pussy there, fi caress me.
How are the bomb out? No, sir. No, sir. Wait, scatter. Oh, no, wait. Scatter. My dog gonna style dog tree, dog go mess up his show. Let's get a dog that will up on the mic and try to mess up his. Weird.
Green body pull to the side of me body jaw boy grab it.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. My body so good, she keep texting me. Feed a good pussy there, fi caress me. Me feel nice, all your breast me lick. Big body in a your technique.
Please. Yo!
The fuck them me take me chip. No evidence you not get fakey.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben when you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Yeah, the teach out, you pussy pass the exam. You no need a next one.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben when you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Yeah, the teach out, you
Yo, no, dog, this is weird. No, this is.
pussy pass the exam. You no need a next one.
It's like the bedroom till a movie set. Ask how we a fuck, ask how we a get. Me ready for the come shot, babes. Aim for me face, don't come in on me brains.
Alright, you know see no.
Sweet. Hey. Hey, yo, watch you, we love it though, you see me, watch you.
You are the winner when you go down for your knee. The love game and girl ask family. Nah, your pussy make cocky make you cry cream.
You see it straight up, big up. Yes, man, all I know you to no blood clean. Eat bad eating habits. You see me? I don't want to get the style, new artists and new influencers, you know, move up.
Ask family, nah, your pussy make cocky make you cry cream.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben when you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Yeah, the teach out, your pussy pass the exam. You no need a next one.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben when you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Yeah, the teach out, your
That's the exam. Me don't need a next one.
pussy pass the exam. You no need a next one.
Bam bam, bam bam, cocky bam bam.
Please. Banga. Yes, man. Hey, yo, scatter was catch heart attack when you see these blows and skirt. Oh, go on. But yeah, man, Vybz Kartel, the one in the important feature, and Ishawna. Yeah, man, that, yeah. Cartel drop the straight bangers, dog, drop everything. Dog drop for the thugs, them. Dog drop for the ladies. The dog drop for the conscious people, you see me? The godly people, you see me, man, drop. New track for a little bit of everybody, master, you see me? You don't know where boss go to work already. You see me? But yeah, man. Yeah, I definitely go fun play around track. You see me and say, but you don't know Ishawna already. Ishawna a freak, you know, so you don't know. I tell you free girl, you see me, we love free girl and the girls say, dog, have to drop something for the free girls. Come on, you can't drop something, not drop something for the free girl and have one of the free girls girl and Jamaica one. Always a free girl and them girl love love, don't it? Yeah, man, gang, I don't know where boss go to work still. But yeah, man, if you like it, I'm gonna show the artist some love and support, make you know, so the dancing. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, only 1600 already from 10K, gang. Hit the like and subscribe button. Do the right thing. I don't know, code is live. Going live later on, so look out for that. We might go live later on and react to the entire album. Or I just be talking about some topics, what's going on. You see me, I say Vybz Kartel get back in visa on the way to the US, the Grammys, all type of stuff. So look out for that. We can chop it up later on. Yeah. There, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. I know a thing going on. You see me, code is live. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.